The water we use every day in Marshall travels quite a journey to get to us. Marshall's water is pumped from Big Cypress Bayou, about 15 miles north of the city, part of the wetlands of Caddo Lake near Jefferson, Texas. The city of Marshall can draw up to 16,000 acre-feet of water each year. That's a massive amount of water, about 5.2 billion gallons, or roughly 21,000 football fields.
If needed, the city of Marshall can also purchase additional water from Lake of the Pines, also near Jefferson.
The water from Big Cypress travels to Marshall through a pipeline and is prepared for the community at the water treatment plant. Here at the water treatment plant, several processes must be completed to remove impurities, disinfect the water, and improve taste and odor. Inside the plant, the city of Marshall relies on technology, pumping, and filtration systems in the water treatment process. Ongoing maintenance of this infrastructure is critical for year-round operational efficiency. The water treatment plant is 76 years old and was built in 1949. What is the water treatment process? There are 6 primary steps. Step 1 occurs when raw water enters through screens to remove large debris like sticks, leaves, and trash. It is then pumped to the city's settlement basin using 4 500-horsepower vertical turbine pumps. The raw water then travels by gravity to the city's water treatment plant. Step 2 is the coagulation process. Chemicals are added to neutralize the electrical charges of fine particles, encouraging them to clump into larger, heavier masses. Step 3 is the clarification process, also known as sedimentation. Water enters large clarifier tanks where it slows down. Gravity pulls the heavy sludge to the bottom, where mechanical scrapers collect it. The clearer water then flows over weirs, or low barriers, to the next stage. In Step 4, the water passes through filters, a combination of sand and carbon media, to remove remaining fine particles. Step 5 is disinfection, when chlorine inactivates harmful bacteria and viruses. Several chemicals are used in the treatment of our water. For example, chlorine is used for disinfection. Phosphate helps control pipe corrosion, and caustic soda is used to soften the water. Coagulant, polymer, and ammonia are also used in the treatment process. Step 6 is the final phase in the water treatment process. Treated water is stored in 2 large 3-million-gallon clear wells and 2 1-million-gallon elevated storage tanks. It is then distributed to homes and businesses through the city's high-service pump station. In Marshall, every drop counts, from source to faucet and beyond. Over the next 6 years, your city will be making significant investments in infrastructure at the water treatment plant. We've shown you where our water comes from and how it's treated. In Part 2, let's find out what happens to our water when it goes down the drain.